Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to simplify surds, and our question is simplify part A 2 root 5 cubed. So simplifying this, will be knowing that a cube means multiplying that number 3 times. So that will be 2 root 5 times 2 root 5 times 2 root 5. Then we multiply numbers which don't have a root together and those one which have a root together. So we are separating them, so that will be 2 times 2 times 2, then times root 5 times root 5 times root 5. Then 2 times 2 times 2, it is 8. Then times root 5 times root 5, it is 5. Then times root 5. So this will give us 8 times 5, which is 40, root 5. So that one becomes our answer to our question. And then part B, it is negative root 3, is negative 3 root 2 times 4 root 2. Again, in this case, we multiply numbers which are not under a root, then those one which are under a root. That will be negative 3 times 4, then times root 2 times root 2. And negative 3 times 4, we get negative 12. Then times root 2 times root 2, we get 2. And that will give us negative 20 as our final answer. Thank you.